Okay, now it's time for the box. And let's see if I can get this open here. I'm gonna try to get the, as I said in the video before, it has a Torrey Holt card. This tape's gonna be hard to get off. Let me see. Hold on. There we go. Got some of it off. There we go. We're getting somewhere. Sorry. It's just really taped on it. Okay. I would like to get the card off the box. Okay, we got the card finally. Okay. Gotta be careful. Sorry if my voice is all messed up. I'm kind of sick right now. So that's really cool. There's Torrey Holt card. Got his stats from that year. He went to North Carolina State. That's pretty cool. Now for the box. Got a whole bunch of cards in here. Wow. A whole bunch of random football cards. So I'm just gonna do a video for just displaying what kind of cards I got. So yep, that was the box break. Be right back. Go to the next video, probably be called like card display or something like that. Alright, later.